Hey, what's going on, guys? Jeff here with Let It Grow Investing. Just wanted to do a quick update. I know we're only doing the one episode on the podcast this week, but trading still resumes Tuesday, Wednesday, closed Thursday, back open on Friday. So wanted to get a little bit of update as to what's going on, what's up with the sell-off. Tech leading the way on that. A little bit of changes with the Fed. And we had some crypto sell-off, but also some coins that are running. And just wanted to give a bit of an update as to what's going on and what kind of moves I'm making and what kind of things I'm buying right now. So first off, the market is selling off. We do have a bit of a sell-off going on in Fintech and InsurTech. The insurance tech plays. Talking Lemonade, looking at as far as the fintech, we've got PayPal, PaySafe, Visa, SoFi, all selling off. SoFi is back down in the 17s, and PaySafe under 4, and PayPal's down in the 190s, I believe we are right now. Also, we've got a sell-off in Tesla going on at the moment. We were up earlier, now we're down about 8%. Some of the stuff out there that I'm seeing, there's some kind of Twitter beef with Elon and Binance. There is some sexual harassment cases being brought up at the factories for Tesla, and I'm not 100% certain as to why that's making it go down that much. I'm sure there's more. Yeah, I'm on Yahoo Finance, and it's down about 6% right now, so coming back up a bit. But yeah, so the fintech sell-off, I'm definitely watching that. I don't want that to bleed over into other stocks, other sectors. Hopefully it can be contained, but it is a worry right now that some of that sell-side pressure will kind of go over to other areas. With Jay Powell being renominated or nominated for a second term, we do know a little bit more as to where the market might be headed, and we will text message, be keeping an eye on that as to what we're going to do. But the taper will probably start to happen in like February to May time frame. And that is going to do a couple different things, but we know that the rates will be going higher, and growth stocks tend to do a little bit more rough in that time, in that type of situation, but we also know that banks do better in that situation. So for right now, the bigger financial plays are going to be probably getting scooped up here in the next couple days or a couple weeks. And I'm looking at like JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Citibank, looking to add to those positions, and I'm watching for these fintech plays to bottom out. Looking at the one-day chart on PayPal, it does look like it kind of found a bottom, and we haven't gone below that. So that could be a sign that we're testing a bottom, but we got to see if it holds. Generally a couple days, and then we'll kind of know if we're going to hold that level or if we're going to break it again. If we do break it, there is some downside pressure that we could find, and we've got to go pretty far back to, the 3-month doesn't do it. The year-to-date, we're at a low year-to-date. You have to go back to the 1-year chart to find another. Actually, even that doesn't do it. We got to go back to the 2-year chart to find that next level of low that we're looking for some support at. And that will hopefully we'll see that turn around and certainly see some higher pressure to take this one up. So for right now, I'm kind of holding off on those. I did do some selling yesterday. I sold off some Enphase and some ChargePoint just because those positions were getting a little too big, and Enphase had ran so hard from probably September, from like the 140 price point to about 275 yesterday, and now we're trading down around 249 last I looked. And so I'm doing a little bit of selling, did a little bit of selling there, and deployed some of that capital into Matterport, Palantir, SoFi, CrowdStrike, and trying to get a larger position in those. So if you need to, find something to buy, there's definitely some sales out there. I don't know that we're done selling off. I could have bought a little bit later, but like I said, I did want to establish a larger position in some of these names. So I went ahead and started doing some buying. And yeah, crypto, we've got Bitcoin selling off. We're holding that 56.5 level. Today we're right around 57 and some change. But that 56.6 was that level of resistance or level of support that we were looking to hold. We did dip below it, and it seems like we're kind of consolidating a bit around that number, and hopefully we can get enough pressure to move this one back up. As I've said before on the podcast, we will see a lot of people, a lot of hedge funds and institutional investors sell off towards the end of the year. Last year we did have this sell side pressure around Thanksgiving. I don't know if that's a retail sale. With people trying to do some shopping for the holidays, they sell off their Bitcoin to raise some cash to do their shopping, or if it's just the hedge funds are looking to sell off right now and get ahead of things to book some profits before 2022. Right now I am slowly starting to deploy some of my stable coins and repurchase Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the one that has been doing really well for me and up again today is the CRO token, the crypto.com coin. And that one is up 18% on the day. So I am looking good there. And like I've said before, that one, actually no, we're 21% up. That one's about 84 cents, 85 cents. And I bought that one over the summer at 14 cents. So that one has been printing paper for me. And hopefully that one continues to run, but it has been a staircase up. So I do think that, it wasn't such a drastic run. It has had a big run, but there's a lot of different catalysts for that. They've been advertising like crazy. They've had a lot of the people adopt the crypto.com card. And as you spend on the crypto.com card, you get rewarded in CRO. So you're getting the stake back, and they are also burning the coins heavily. And you had the crypto.com stadium in LA. So there's a lot of different changes going on in the crypto space, especially for crypto.com. And my link is in the description for crypto.com if you need to start an account. But this one has been a silent winner for me. I don't hear so many people talking about it. It's more all the metaverse coins, Mana, the Decentraland Sandbox, Gala Games, a couple different coins that have been doing really well in their own regard. I think they're a little bit more hype right now. Anything meta is running up like crazy, but the CRO token has been doing great, and there's a lot of different benefits that come with having that staked as well. So that's what I'm doing. Going to try to raise some cash and be ready for more of these dips. Definitely looking at the finance stocks and also the fintech stocks, looking to add to those. But anything cloud or fintech, I think we're still a little bit early. So, definitely keep some dry powder on the side, have some cash ready to make some of these buys when things go south. And I think, as far as the crypto front, I think we're going to be coming out of this holiday season, Thanksgiving, in about a week. If it repeats itself like it did last year, we'll be up from here. So hopefully Bitcoin, Ethereum start trending upwards. And as far as growth stocks, we might be in a bit of a sideways action or even down pressure till the end of the year. And then I think January we're going to start rolling back up real nicely. But yeah, that's all that I got for you today. I just wanted to make a quick video explaining what I'm doing, and throw some different ideas out there for the holiday week. It's going to be a bit less volume, and definitely on the stocks being closed, but then on crypto, I think there's going to be that sell side pressure also. But definitely take that into account. If you can raise some cash right now and be ready to roll, end of the weekend, beginning of next week, I think you'd be in the clear to do a little bit of buying, nibble here and there, and dollar cost average into some more of these positions. For me, namely Ethereum and Bitcoin, but also some of the altcoins Cardano's got some positive catalysts coming up in the next couple days as well. So hopefully we can capitalize on that and get out there, let it grow. And the podcast will be back on Monday, and you can check me out on Anchor, Spotify, Google, Apple. Just search for Let It Grow Investing, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Have a good holiday.